Hey there guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be learning how to disable all ads on Android device. So how to stop all ads on your Android device on websites, on games and some applications. I said some applications because it might not work for apps like YouTube that have built-in advertisements. So let's just go ahead to the process. So I'm going to click on my settings application, and the next thing to do is to locate more connectivity options. So I've been locating more connectivity options here, and I'll be tapping on this on my Redmi device. Then the next thing to do is to locate private DNS. So locate private DNS. I'll tap on private DNS, then change this from either off or auto to private DNS host name. So once you've tapped on this, it's going to ask you to tap on this, and this is what you should type there: dns.adguard.com. So you have to type dns.adguard.com in all in small letter and click on save. So this way you've actually blocked all advertisements on your Android device, and you can visit websites and you won't find no ads there. You can go ahead to your games app and you will not find any app there. So if this video actually helps, like, subscribe and share to friends so they can actually use the same process. Thank you very much and thank you for watching.